Let's learn alphabets and color names. Red color. A. A is for airplane. A is for apple. B. B is for ball. B is for balloon. C. C is for car. C is for cat. D. D is for duck. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. E is for egg. F is for frog. F is for fish. G is for grape. G is for goat. Yellow color. H is for hen. H is for hand. I is for igloo. J is for joker. K is for kangaroo. K is for kite. L is for lion. L is for lemon. M is for mango. M is for monkey. Blue color. N is for nose. N is for nest. O is for onion. O is for orange. P is for pumpkin. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. Q is for quill. R is for rose. R is for rat. Is for sun. T is for tiger. T is for toys. U is for umbrella. U is for uncle. V is for van. V is for van. W is for watermelon. W is for vegetable. X is for extra. X is for Xmas tree. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for york. Z is for zoo. Z is for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z। अगर वीडियो पसंद है चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।